Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
First up this evening, almost a year after getting a contract to buy police vehicles and missing extended deadlines, the contracted company is still unable to deliver the 200 pre-owned vehicles.
And for some of the vehicles which have been purchased, they were not able to pay the taxes to clear them at the wharf.
The Finance Ministry and Jamaica Customs have reportedly intervened and given the company a moratorium.
TVJ's Andrea Chisholm explains a stunning development at today's sitting of Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC.
The Ministry of National Security told the PAAC that O'Brien's International Car Sales and Rentals Limited got half of the money, almost $213.5 million, to get 200 pre-owned police vehicles. Still, the company missed deadlines and extensions, only handing over 30 of the vehicles. O'Brien's has since written to the National Security Ministry asking them to pay the special consumption and general consumption taxes on 76 of the vehicles, saying they were unable to absorb the costs. PAAC Chairman Dr. Wickham McNeil read from the ministry's submission.
The decision was taken that the ministry would not bear these costs, as it is the obligation of the contractor to pay the relevant duties and taxes associated with the clearance of the vehicles as per the contract.
The National Security Ministry then asked the Finance Ministry for a waiver of the taxes on behalf of O'Brien. The Finance Ministry said no. So the National Security Ministry demanded that O'Brien's deliver the police vehicles by November 24 or else. That extended deadline has also expired.
We were about to invoke. Then we heard that a moratorium was granted by Customs after discussions between Ministry of Finance and Customs for the clearing of the vehicles. So I understand that Mr. O'Brien's International Car Sales is now clearing the vehicles as we speak.
The Permanent Secretary Diane McIntosh admitted she had nothing in writing, adding that the moratorium from Customs was to clear 66 police vehicles without the payment of the taxes.
We're looking at approximately $16 million
So
for the SCT and GCT combined.
So who is paying it?
Well, we're going to have to have a discussion to invoke.
No, we can't clear the vehicles and then have the discussion after.
Well, we need the vehicles, so...
No, Madam Pierce.
And I want to make it very clear that I didn't say we were going to pay.
Okay.
I am making it very clear. I'm going through the process as the report indicates, and I'm now at the process of turning it over to the Attorney General.
Dr. McNeil agreed that the Attorney General and even the Auditor General should investigate the matter. The Office of the Contractor General has been monitoring the contract for over a year. So how did it come to this? A supplier signing a contract, then asking the government to pay or waive taxes, being told no initially, and then being given a moratorium.
Unfortunately, the supplier inadvertently left these taxes out of his final cost.
No, what you mean inadvertently left is he put a bid forward. He put a bid forward.
The Director of Procurement, Milton Morrison, insisted that even after the taxes were included, O'Brien's International Car Sales was still the lowest bidder.
If a contract entered into by the government of Jamaica and a company is so altered, then it would be grave concerns, scandalous. The fact of the matter is that this is untidy, it is messy at the best.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.